How to add highlights on Instagram without adding it to story. If any day you are an Instagram user and you would like to add highlights to your Instagram without adding it to your story, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device and then go to your profile like icon. After that, you have to go to the three lines on the top. After tapping on the three lines on the top, now you have to just scroll down and then tap on the option of hide story and live. After tapping on hide story and live, now you have to just tap on some of the persons to whom you would like to hide the story from. You have to tap on all of the friends that are on your very Instagram because you have to hide it from everyone and then go to the option of done. After you hide it from everyone and then go to the option of done, now you have to go back and then you have to go to your profile like icon. Then after going to the story like icon, you have to add on a story. After you add on a story from going to your story like icon, now what you can do is you can go to the three lines on the top and then tapping on the three lines on the top, you can go to the option of the archive here. After tapping on the option of the archive, now you can tap onto any of your posts like this or the story that you have shared. And after that, you have to tap on it and then go to the option of highlight like this, and then you can add it to any of the highlights that you want. So this is the way on which you can do. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.